Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add and use custom fonts in Google Slides on your mobile phone through the Google Slides official app, whether it is on Android or iOS. It is the same for both the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Google Slides app. After that, simply open the presentation where you want to add your custom fonts. For me, I will choose this one and simply click on one of these slides and select edit slides. After that, simply click on the plus icon at the top of your screen and choose the option called text. After that, you will see a different pop-up on the top of your screen that is a icon. Simply click on it, and if you scroll, or you will find the font right here, and you can choose any font as you want from here, and you can adjust the size, text color and highlight color as well, and you can also add any shape to your text as well. It is as simple as that, and once added, select it and start typing. Your text will now appear in the new font. You can also mix and match fonts to create headings and body text that stand out. And that's it guys. Now you can make your slides more stylish and unique with custom fonts. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment your favorite font for your presentation. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.